Let's take a look at the way that you fix the PayPal balance not showing. Now, for most cases, why this happens is your funds are being held by PayPal. So PayPal normally holds your funds sometimes for 21 days due to new selling activity, disputes, or high risk transactions. So if that is the case for you, then you just need to wait for about 21 days in order for the balance to show up. Now, this is a normal case what happens or why it happens to most people. This is not the issue with you, then it might also be the issue of the source. For example, if you use a credit card via PayPal, the refund goes to your credit card and will not show up to your PayPal balance. So if this is the case for you, then make sure you check your credit card balance and not the balance of your PayPal account. Also, if none of these solutions work out for you, then what you can try out is try to refresh your PayPal account, whether you're using it on a web browser or whether you're using it on the mobile app. If you're currently using it on your mobile phone on the application, then what you can do is uninstall PayPal from your device and then try reinstalling it. This makes sure that this fixes any sort of bugs which may be causing this issue. So I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. That's gonna be all for today. I'll see you in the next video.